If you want to see more content regarding all things Cocktail Bar, crypto, finance, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Alright, so you're here because you probably need to know how to turn your cash dollars into any ERC20 token, preferably Cocktail Bar. So let's hop into it. Step 1. You're going to scroll up and you're going to make sure you hit that subscribe button and then leave a like. Alright, from there you're going to go into the down into the description and you're going to see this link for a Coinbase with my referral code. From there you're going to join. I do make $10 if you choose to deposit over $100 on Coinbase. This is the easiest way to turn your cash into cryptocurrency. You should see a screen that looks something like this. Your portfolio should say 0. Step 2! What you want to have to do is purchase Ethereum. And so the way you do that is you come down over here to trade. You hit this Ethereum button, you hit buy. And from this screen where you see that says buy, you're going to choose pay with. And you should have none of these options. You should only have one that says add a payment method. From here you can use Play to attach your account, or you can buy with PayPal, debit card, or you can do a wire transfer. Then you just type in how much you want to purchase, $10 worth of Ethereum, and you hit preview buy, and then you hit buy now. From there the transaction should show up in under your assets. Right here you would be able to scroll down and you would be able to see Ethereum, and then you would have a dollar amount in there. Step 3! We're going to have to go and install Metamask. This is how we're going to enter the world of decentralized finance. Alright, and here we are on Metamask. You can download it on your phone, and I recommend you download it on your phone later. Right, for now we're going to go through the Chrome web store. We're going to search the store for Metamask. We're going to hit this button right here and we just hit add to Chrome. Perfect. Now that you've added MetaMask to Chrome, what you're going to have to do is you're going to come up here to this tiny little jigsaw puzzle piece where it says extensions. You click on that and you should see this button right here. Hit these little 3 dots and press pin. So now that you have your MetaMask pinned to your browser, you're going to be able to access it anytime. If we take a look at that and click on that, it's going to take us to a new page where we're going to be asked to sign up. If you already have a secret recovery phrase, aka you've already created a wallet in the past, you just go ahead and import your wallet. You're going to want to insert your 13-word secret code, and you should have all your other coins. You might have to import them, but I'll show you how to do that later. If you don't have a wallet, you're going to come over here and hit create a wallet. Just agree. You can agree or disagree. I'll agree because why not? You're going to type in a password. I want you to make it strong because if someone gets access to your computer, it's not going to be a good time for you. They could potentially steal all your COC, all your Ethereum, anything inside your MetaMask, and they can take more than just a singular token. It takes like all the tokens that you own. So the next thing you want to do, and this is extremely important, you're going to want to click it to reveal these secret words. And you take all these words and you copy and paste them, you put them in a Google Doc. Then you go and put them on your email and you send it to yourself so you can look it up later. Then what you're going to want to do is actually take out a piece of note paper and a notebook and write it down word for word, letter for letter. It's very important that you keep your secret recovery phrase safe, okay? Because anyone who has access to it can get into your wallet and then take all of your cryptocurrency, and we don't want that, and especially since you won't be able to use that wallet in the future. So yeah, once you have it written down and stored several places in your house, several places on the internet that only you have access to, you go ahead and hit next. Now, MetaMask is going to ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase in the right order that it was given to you. This is so that you're just not saying like, oh yeah, I did it, MetaMask, don't worry, I did it. Because they don't want to hear your complaint when you lose your wallet inevitably and you're sending 100 emails even though they explain to you that this is going to happen, that you're going to lose all your funds and there's nothing that they can do about it. Alright, and now that you've put them all in, hit confirm, and then you're good to go. Here comes the fun part. This is how you're going to enter the world of decentralized finance. Step 4. You have 2 options. If you had an issue with Coinbase, you don't like Coinbase for some reason, and it's just too much for you, you're going to want to go through here. You can use these different options. However, I recommend that these 2 you do not use because their transaction fees are ridiculous. You could be paying significantly more than you would on Coinbase. Coinbase will just charge you a couple bucks, depending on how much you have. These will charge you tens of dollars, and the minimum deposit is also significantly high. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hit directly deposit Ether. Okay, now this code is important. This is how we're going to tell Coinbase where to send your money. Hit copy to clipboard. we go back to Coinbase, and you're going to go back down to Ethereum. From here, now that you're on Ethereum, you're going to hit the send/receive button. You're going to type in however much you want to send. In this case, we'll say $32. You're probably gonna have to send a lot more than that, because transaction fees are going from anywhere from $40 to $120. From here, we're gonna hit 2, and then we're gonna Control V, and we're gonna paste in that address that we copied from MetaMask. You can leave the note empty, and make sure we have Ethereum selected. From there, you hit continue. It's going to give you a preview of what you're about to send. It's going to ask you to confirm using your email or your phone number, and then you should eventually see that money show up in your MetaMask account. Alright, so now that you're in your MetaMask account and you can see your Ethereum has arrived, what you're going to want to go to is Uniswap.org. I'm going to have the link in the description. Step 5. From here, you're going to hit Launch App in the top right corner. To connect your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is come up here, hit Connect Wallet, and then just hit MetaMask. And it's that simple. Hit Next and Connect. Easy peasy. And so then from there, you can come down here to where it says Select a Token. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down to the description, and you're going to look at this long chain of random let characters where it says you're going to copy the following address. You come over here, hit right click, hit copy, and you come back into Uniswap. From there, the token you're going to select is you're just going to paste in that address you copied. You should see COC pop up. You hit import. Perfect, import. Now you can buy Ethereum. If we look at a price right now, currently we have one Ethereum buying you about 12 or so COC. And one COC right now is currently worth about $291, and that's a steal of a price, if I do say so myself. Alright, from there you're going to want to hit swap, and you can hit confirm swap. I'm not going to do it because it's going to eat up literally all of my Ethereum, as I only have enough for one transaction, and it costs about $40 for a transaction. But then from there, you're going to hit confirm swap. It's going to ask you to confirm on your MetaMask right over here. You're going to hit OK, whatever, do your thing. And from there, you're going to be good to go. If that doesn't work for you, make sure you change your slippage up. You might want to turn it up to 5 or 10%. But that's like max. Don't turn it up anymore, because what slippage means is you're willing to pay this amount, but if you turn up slippage to 100%, then that means you're okay if the price slips 100%, which is bad because your transaction could be front run. That's a whole nother dilemma. The point is keep it as low as possible. I recommend starting at 0.1 and then working your way up. Now from there, you should see your COC pop up right underneath you. If you don't, then you want to hit this import tokens, hit custom token, and then under token contract address, we're going to paste the exact same address that we copied earlier from the description. From there, autofills token symbol and the token decimal, and you hit add custom token. Import tokens. Perfect. You should see your COC pop up right there. I obviously have 0 on this account because this is just for example, but that's how you do it. That's how you set it up. You can repeat the exact same process on your mobile phone, and then you'll be able to access all of your funds from mobile, your MetaMask funds. And just to be clear, just so that everyone knows, this is decentralized finance. You're not transacting through Coinbase. You're not transacting through a bank account. You're not transacting through someone else who knows what you're doing with your money. At this point, you're totally on your own. Now, could the government come and look through blockchain and see all your purchases and see where you got it from and see what you're spending it on now? Yes, like they can do that because that's part of the reason why blockchain is so powerful. But what they can't do is stop you, right? The point is, this is your money. That's why you're paying $40 in fees for it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions at all, head down to the comments section and leave me a question, and I'll be happy to help you. Remember, we're the only cocktail bar creator on this space, and if you're interested in subscribing for more cocktail bar content and everything regarding the metaverse, NFTs, and digital finance, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and also subscribe that like button, and smash it so hard because I want to see your fingerprints turn blue. Okay, I want to see these baddies blue. Alright, I'm telling you, this is what I want.